We are going to be working a 2016 Toyota Camry. We are going to be wrapping the side mirrors. As you can see, you need some type of cleaner. We got Chemical Guys Wipeout. We are going to clean the surface with a microfiber towel. After that, we're going to be wrapping it. We're going to be taking out the side mirrors plastic. There are some clips. As you can see, you got some clips here. Be careful with them. Be patient, you might break them. Just glue them back. You are going to cut it a little bit bigger than the part you are going to wrap.